Deciphering the phrase shoo-in. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and commonly misunderstood English phrase, shoo-in. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it correctly. The term shoo-in has an intriguing history. Initially, it referred to a horse racing term where a racehorse was predicted to win easily, almost as if the horse was being shooed or guided into the winner's circle. Over time, the phrase has evolved and is now used in various contexts, not just horse racing. In today's English, shoo-in is used to describe someone or something that is guaranteed or very likely to succeed. It's important to note the spelling here. It's shoo-in and not shoo-in. Example 1. With his extensive experience and skills, he's a shoo-in for the job. Example 2. Given the team's performance this season, they're a shoo-in for the championship. Many people mistakenly write this phrase as shoo-in. It's an easy mistake to make, given that shoo is a familiar word. However, remember that the correct spelling is shoo-in, referring to the act of guiding or ushering something in a particular direction. Understanding synonyms can help solidify the meaning of a term. Some common synonyms for shoo-in include sure thing, certain winner, dead cert, informal, mainly British English. And that's a wrap on shoo-in. We hope this explainer has shed light on this fascinating phrase and its usage. Remember, language is an ever-evolving tool, and by understanding phrases like these, you're sure to become a shoo-in at mastering the English language. Happy learning!